G'day legends. So today we have another mod to do. It literally just turned up, and we're going to fit it. So this is it. It is a midsection exhaust to get rid of that huge muffler that is underneath this and the bit of restriction, so it's going to be a full 3-inch flow. So we're going to whack that on. I will start the car, show you what it sounds like battery, and then we'll go and fit this exhaust up, and then I'll show you how we do that. It's going to be very easy, probably 20-minute job, if that. Very easy. And then we'll do another startup and see how it sounds. Awesome. Alright, let's get into it. Alrighty, this is the startup with stock exhaust. Alrighty, that is the stock exhaust. Let's get into changing this exhaust over. Get some tools, we're ready to roll. So we're going to start by removing those ones there. You alright? Alrighty, so we've got a 15 up the top, and then as simple as that. So those two there, and then come down here, and undo this one. Yeah. Is that right, Ovi? You helping, Daddy? Big. Can you put that back? Alrighty, move over to the other side now. Oh no, what'd you do? What you doing? Yeah? Alright, all we've got left is hangers. Let's get them off. So we've sprayed some just some lube onto the hanger. Then you just pull it off, so we'll do the same on this side. Well, this one here we can just undo, which is what we'll do. Make it a bit easier. Now I'm going to pull it off when we get out. So we have got the exhaust off. There's the exhaust off. We just undid the hangers there and there. And that muffler is humongous and heavy. So I'll drag this out and we'll compare it next to the new one. Alrighty. Alright. Look at the difference. Wow. Not bad. Yeah, buddy. Alright, we'll get into taking these off. That's so handy that they unbolt from basically the chassis. That makes it so much easier to get them off. Tell you what, this is a much easier car to work on than my Ranger. But let's keep doing it. Alright. And yes, I know that I have a hoist. I just want to show that this can be easily enough done on the ground, and this is stock height as well, so it wasn't that hard, which is great. Awesome. Alright, we'll get these hangers off. I'll put them onto the new one and then we'll start fitting this exhaust up. What happened? You want that down? So guys, I did not realise the GoPro went flat, so I'm not sure where we got at, but I will show you underneath what it looks like. Let's do it. So that's the exhaust all hooked up. Pretty easy. Let's do a cold start up. Oh yeah, we'll get into it. Can you stop putting my tools everywhere, please? Come here, over this way. Come here. Ready? Daddy's going to start the car. Now that definitely sounds a lot better. Not too loud, doesn't drone too much. So I'm pretty happy with that. We'll see how it goes once we get a few Ks on it, once it beds itself in a little bit more. But pretty keen to take that for a drive. So once the little one's in bed, that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'll bring you along, but that's cool. Pretty easy job. And what are my next mods? So next mods is I'm going to do a bonnet mount aerial as well for my GME aerial. Fix that trim on the driver's side on the A-pillar. Got a dash mat coming. What else? I've got to get seat covers for it. Something I'm going to go the Razorback. What else have we got? Wheels, and then suspension later on down the track, but we'll have to put some airbags in the back to tow the camper. But overall, happy with this car so far, loving it. But until next time, see you legends.